Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. If you've seen Business Empire Richman game pop up on the Play Store and wondered if it's a legit way to build your dream empire or just another idle game cash grab, this quick review is for you. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on research and user feedback. Business Empire is a simulation game where you start from scratch, maybe with a humble taxi company, and slowly build your way up to running banks, space agencies, and even investing in crypto. Sounds ambitious, right? Players seem to enjoy the strategic depth. On Reddit, one player broke down their journey to over $150 billion in net worth, with detailed tips on scaling businesses, buying high dividend stocks, and building construction empires. There's even NFT buying, private island docking, and Dogecoin trading. Yes, really. The pros are it's surprisingly complex for a mobile tycoon game. You can build various companies and manage them in a sandbox style economy. For the cons, it's not perfect. Many users report long upgrade wait times unless you watch ads. Unlike most freemium games, there's some grind unless you're willing to pay or watch a bunch of ads. For the final verdict, Business Empire Richmond game is not a scam. It's a legitimate mobile game with a decent strategy layer. Just don't expect instant riches or perfect balance. If you enjoy slow build tycoon games with a ton of clickable upgrades, you might actually find this one addicting. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.